I just wanted to kind of give you this quick top level view of the Sequoia report, which basically said that it is a $1 trillion market that kind of opens with services as software. And I know we set up M37Labs with a services model with enterprise AI services. And down the line, we developed EBIC, which is the first PR and comms AI operating system for a vertical, which is estimated in the Sequoia report to be 20 billion. Obviously, we estimate it to be much larger because there is a very large mid-market opportunity which is out there. And probably only a few firms in the world are actually building an AI system for PR and comms. So we are the front runners in that. We've also built an AI operating system for retail, which is Retailio.os, again catering to enterprise proprietary models and connecting everything from visual merchandising to supply chain to inventory, store display. So very unique in terms of what we're really building as either you call it SLMs or you call it EPMs. And I know you're building something very exciting, and I don't know if you want to share it at this point, but I think that it's time you kind of reveal it. So over to you.
Yeah, just to add to the suite of applications and the R&D that our teams are doing at M37Labs, EBIC.AI is something I would highly recommend everybody seeing this to go check out. The site is very simple, EBIC.AI. Of course, Retailio is something we have cooked over the past year, specifically for the retail industry, which is a 2D, 3D, an AR, VR plus AI combination for virtual merchandising tools, and anybody pretty much in retail. It's unbelievable, and the feedback we've received, you know better than I do because you're leading that push. What we are cooking at the R&D front of M37Labs is something on the lines of Mighty Claw, which is built on the two largest open source foundational frameworks or harnesses, if I can call them that. OpenClaw, which is built by Peter, got acquired for $1 billion by OpenAI. It's an open source project with 308,000 GitHub stars. By the way, that's more than the Linux kernel itself, which runs every cloud service provider in the world. And it has done this in the shortest amount of time. It's as Jensen from NVIDIA in the GTC put out that they have created a version on top of it, or rather a secure shell for OpenClaw called NemoClaw. And in his GTC event, the speech he gave was that this is the fastest and the highest a stack of code base has ever gained popularity, use, and application and interest in the history of humanity. And we've been coding for a while, right? From COBOL systems till today. So that says a lot, and we are probably the only lab out of India or Asia that is building on these two open source foundations. And what we are calling it is mightyclaw.ai. So you can go check out the website today if you're interested. And we will have personal agents live in the weeks to come. Our teams are working day and night on it. So MightyClaw AI is essentially taking this really technically fascinating invention and making it accessible to average users like you and I and Joey and people in our teams, my parents. So the success metric is that if my mother is able to get a personal always on agent and is able to talk to it and get constant value from it, just like I'm able to as a techie on my terminal, then I think that would really help democratize the power and value of what these models are doing. And of course, I don't want to reveal all the secret sauce because we have a proprietary specialized agent layer and an enterprise layer which hasn't been conceptualized, at least to the best of our research. We haven't seen that anywhere in the world, not even amongst all the startups of San Francisco. So you and I are heading to the US soon. So yeah, I won't get into the specialized and the enterprise hive, as we are calling it, because that's probably going to do the job of what the largest consulting firms combined with the largest technical service arms of the world do separately. We're kind of fusing it all together.